We're making sure that our materials stay within our spec. We dry it to make sure they know what temperature to dry that back, so there's no moisture in it. Not only that, but we're also ensuring that what the guys are doing in up in control is exactly what we designed it to do.
I would say my biggest role is the safety of the job and production, because if your job's not safe, it's not making any money. And if it's not safe, you're not getting any production. I'm human, I overlook things. Everyone else is on the crew. Instead of having one set of eyes on something, I have 8. So if they see something wrong with the job or a potential safety hazard, it's known on my crew that they're totally able to speak up and say something, because that could change the whole way we pave it.
My impact in the process is to make sure that the material is taken from point A to point B safely and efficiently. When we're doing our job right, that's making sure that production isn't interrupted.
My main priority is to make sure that the plant is fed with material. And I also am close enough to the plant to make sure that nothing's breaking down.
My job being the production foreman, I mean, we have to make sure that the product is correct. I mean, that all the specs are met so that the asphalt plant can get the product they need so that they can make the asphalt for the roads. And if we don't do that correctly, then it's going to screw things up down the line.
I have to make sure that I'm producing good quality mix. I have to work with the lab on a daily basis to make sure that the test results are coming back good.
It's actually for everybody. It's not just for the rollers, it's for the foremen as well, because they make adjustments too. They might need to change a roller, change a pattern, add a pattern, tell the rollers to turn something up, turn something down, add a vibe or what have you.
So really what my role is to keep the stars of the company going, right? And those are the boots on the ground, the guys that are actually doing the work to make the company money. So my job is to get them whatever they need to minimize downtime, so we can be profitable as a company, because when we're making asphalt, we're making money.
As the heavy equipment shop foreman, my impact on the Walbec Group is to better serve our customers, which is the aggregate sites, asphalt plants, and field crews, to better keep their equipment up and running safely.
I mean, really it just comes down to that pre-planning. What I'm trying to avoid is the chaos. You know, phones are ringing all across the board and we're making last-second changes. So if I do my job well, my phone rings less. The crew is more successful, more productive, safer.
Yeah, you're on site, you're making sure everybody's doing things the right way, but the safety department they're kind of the mediator of everything that's happening. So we're on site, we see the things, we're talking with the crew, but we're also taking that information back to the operation level, to the project managers. We're kind of communicating the issues, we're finding that happy medium, and we're finding a way to solve those problems. So we're kind of the translators in a way.
I think our impact and value in the paver shop is that we get equipment fixed in a timely manner and that it's safe to operate when it's done being fixed.
From the very beginning, we are bidding projects, and then once those projects are awarded, we are planning them based on the schedule we put together, and then finally managing them and working with crews to really get the finished project and goal that we wanted.
So the value that I feel my group and my team brings to the company is that we provide an outside, 1,000-foot view on how the company works, and that we give the best input and the best advice and or solution to do what's best for Walbec or Payne and Dolan at any given moment.